Hey, good evening. This is Yoganand, and I'm going to explain you about the control statements which is present in C language. Already I have explained you about the looping statements, and in this I am going to explain you about the control statement and what is the necessity of the control statements. And here I'm going to give you some uh, basic syntax. I will go to the presentation. Yes, and we have some control statements in C. Basically, you know what is the keywords, right? So on this keyword, you have 32 keywords totally in C. You can see some keywords are in bold letters, and that bold letters are said to be as nothing but the control statements. These keywords are mainly used in control statements, and this statement, for example, if I am want to make any decision, like which one is bigger and which one is smaller, so I am going to do a decision there. So decision making is very important, and that decision making I am going to use a keyword called if and as well as else. So likewise, I have totally 5 control structures, control statements in C. So which I will show you in next slide. Mm, yes. So before going to that control statement, you need to know which is block of statement, which is single statement, which is assignment statement, which is compare statement. And this one is what? Assignment statement. Okay. So a variable is assigned with an value by means of an operator. So this is an operator used for assignment. So these are all we called as assignment statement. These are the examples. Okay, I have chosen, like you can add some numerical values, you can assign a variable, you can assign an expression. So we can do this. All these things constitutes assignment statement. And block statement, single statement. So this one will be a single statement, and if I write that within a block, that is called as block of statement. Like an example, okay, this is block of statements. In this, see, so some set of codes I have written here, like I am just calculating a bin number with which is my own program. Okay, so it is written in a block, so I call this as a block of statement. That is very simple to be explained here. And if I write one line, that will be as a single statement. If I am writing within a particular block, and that is called as block of statements. And these two are very essential in writing the control statements. So first one, I will let you know the simple if. Okay, simple if, the syntax will be if within the parentheses you have to give your test expression or test condition. The condition is true, the line below this will get executed. If the condition is false, then it won't do anything. Only if this is satisfied, then the line below it will get executed. This is called simple if. So the syntax is if, and within the if, here I will write my test condition. Okay, so that is true, then my block gets executed. Okay. So next one I will show if else. If that condition, if okay, test condition will be true, then it will be execute. If it is false, I will execute the else part. So that will be shown in the next one. Okay, so this is block of statements for if. This is a single statement, as we see in the first slide what is single statement, and it is block of statement that you can give as well. And this is if else with block of statements. Okay, if my condition is true, I will be executing this statement. Else, if my condition is failed, if see, for example, I am taking a value less than equal to 10. So for any value, a value is less than equal to 10, it will print here. If I am giving a value as 11, then it will go directly here error record. Likewise you can read. So if true, then this part will logically, this part true means this block will be executing, and if this is false, and this block will be executed. This is if else. And next one is, I will show you nested if. Okay, this is one of thing. If true condition, else if other true condition, else if another true condition. So for real time example, I can say you like if you are choosing the grade category in your campus, for students you have 5 grades like A, B, C, D. If above 75, you are categorizing him as A grade, and 70 to 75 you are categorized to B grade, and 60 to 65 C. Likewise you can give any condition, so this logic will work for you if you want to categorize like that. If, else if, and finally you have to end with the else. So this is one of the structure. This is called as nested if, or you can call it as else if ladder. Okay. If inside if will be as a nested if, and this I will slightly make a change. This will be else if statement. Okay, and nested if I will make a change here as nested if, and what I'm going to do is, if inside if this condition is true, okay, I'm putting some condition here. Okay, that's a no else part in if. Only if statement, simple ifs are combined, then we call it this as nested if. Got it? Okay. So if this part is true, then it will go here. If this is true, and this will be working. So this will be called as nested if. Okay. And the last statement in control statement is switch case. Okay, I can give a switch case statement. Switch case stands for single input and multiple output, or we can say single entry and multiple exits. Okay, what is single entry? You have to pass a value here, and if that is particular case it matches, then you can execute that particular case alone. So here I have written, for example, 1 to 500. So I am passing one number. If that matches any number, what number it matches, that will be exactly printing. Okay. So here, for example, if I am passing 1, then my output will be count A plus plus. That's it. Now if my input is 500, then I will get count C plus plus. So every case must end with break, else what will happen, all the statements without break will be printed, and if no cases matches, then the default statement will execute. So these are the various control statements available in C, and further we will discuss the snippets, and some materials will be given you in the PDF. Thank you very much.